नमस्ते साथीहरू, मेरो युट्युब च्यानल सिंह ज्ञानमा तपाईहरुको स्वागत छ। आज हामी यो सानो सेसनमा कम्प्युटर अपडेटर पदको लागि सोधिने प्रश्नहरु मध्ये मुख्य 10 वटा प्रश्नहरुको बारेमा कुरा गर्नेछौं। ल ढिलो नहुने गरी भिडियो सुरु। क्वेशन नम्बर फर्स्ट, एक्सेल फाइल हैव अ डिफल्ट एक्सटेन्सन्स अफ ऑप्शन ए XLW, ऑप्शन बी XLS, ऑप्शन सी WK1, ऑप्शन डी 1 2 3 and option B is the correct answer, XLS. Second question, which of the following is a popular DOS based spreadsheet package? Option A Smart Cell, option B Word, option C Lotus 1 2 3, option D Excel, and option C is the correct answer, Lotus 1 2 3. Question number 3, which of the following is the oldest spreadsheet package? Option A Lotus 1 2 3, option B VC Calc, option C Word, option C Excel, option B is the correct answer, PC Calc. Question number 4, file created with Lotus 1 2 3 have an extensions of option A XLS, option B DOC, option C WK1, option D 1 2 3, and option D is the correct answer, 1 2 3. Question number 5, an Excel workbook is a collection of option A worksheet and charts, option B workbooks, option C worksheets, option D charts, option A is the correct answer, worksheet and charts. Question number 6, multiple calculations can be made in single formula using option A array formula, option B standard formula, option C complex formula, option D smart formula, and option A is the correct answer, array formula. Question number 7, which are in the Excel windows allow entering values and formula? Option A title bar, option B formula bar, option C menu bar, option D standard toolbar, and option B is the correct answer, formula bar. Question number 8, statistics calculations and manipulations of tablets and graphs can be done using option A Excel, option B Adobe Photoshop, option C Notepad, option D PowerPoint, and option A is the correct answer, Excel. Question number 9, of features that displays only the data in columns yes according to a specified criteria. Option A formula, option B sorting, option C pivot, option D filtering, and option D is the correct answer, filtering. Last question, which function in Excel tells how many numeric entities are there? Option A count, option B number, option C sum, option G CHK and number, option A is the correct answer, count. Thank you.